The PB Beyond Excellent was established in this class.
You might want to take your shot, Dad.
Yeah, I won't take your time to win.
Oh, I thought mine went in then, but that was the sound of Dad's ball going in.
Oh, that's unfortunate. Yeah. Oh. I have had 3 near misses in the first shot.
Oh, mine did some freaky shit then. Oh, that's an albatross.
Seriously, you're in.
Oh.
Oh. Oh.
No. Oh.
Oh, fuck it. Carl's in a great position. Oh, good skinny.
It's definitely my favourite way to go, that one. On race or otherwise.
Oh, man.
It's got a very wild card 5th hole, this course. Oh. Oh, hole in one.
Oh,
Damn it.
Hole in one.
And a pretty lucky little bounce. Could be closing out here. You got to go for a miracle on the 18th. And it's down.
Oh, nice done.
That was a pretty good round. I really didn't make too many mistakes.
Oh.
Well, it looks like none of us did, really, because we're all pretty close.
Yeah.
Like, I don't really... Like, I missed a few medium putts, but... Oh! Just misses out on second. Tragedy at the finishing post.
Anyway, that must be
That was great. Yeah. So there was a break point. Me and Mum were neck and neck. Well, you'll get the time, I guess. You can use that as a score. But you mean get your stroke play as well. I thought so too, because sometimes I'm wondering, what if you break your record? Shouldn't that count? Like... Anyway, I'm just wondering...
So that last hole, I did it the quickest.
Yep. So, Dad, you had a false start on the first hole. And we're even.
Yeah, I still would have come.
Even. Bit of a break on the 6th hole. What happened there, Dad? What happened on the 6th?
Yeah, you got a break.
Oh, yeah, that one. That's the one I got an albatross on. Even.
Oh, yeah.
8.
Right.
All exactly even. Oh, yeah, that one. See, it was all pretty even. Oh, hole 10. What happened on hole 10, Mum?
What hole
the one where I had a good run on the left there.
Oh, I had it in perfect, and then I hit it and it went backwards.
13's all tied.
Yeah, look at that. Hole 13. All the exact same. That's such a random hole, too.
Good run at the end there.
Well, that's, I suppose, you came and stole second. 17.
No, I got second.
Oh yeah, sorry, yeah. All right, yeah, that was a good one of the better races.
No.
I hit Cherry Blossom on easy.
Yep.
Yeah, let's
on random, sorry. Oh no.
Oh.
Always a terrible start when that happens. Still better than that. Still just furthest away, that. Oh yeah! See that? Oh.
Oh no!
Did you see that?
Something.
Oh, what's this?
No.
Good rebound. Try again. Yeah.
Oh, lovely.
Looping in nicely.
And it's your go, Mum. Where do you go?
Come on.
Oh, nice. Even on its easy course, it's very nice to get that on your on your first go. I'm on.
Also not better.
Yep, very nice. Very happy with that. Very happy and good.
Oh, we're all across.
Oh, sorry.
Very handy to get an eagle on this one. So I think we all got good PBs on this. What's everyone got?
22.
Also 22.
Mine's 19.
19.
I remember last time we played, you got that.
Oh.
Ooh.
Ooh. The other side. Oh.
Who's up? Oop. I think to get the tape measure out, I think it's going to be Mum for the next one.
Ooh.
This would be a fun one to do on race. I don't think we've done this one on race.
Oh. Yeah, this would be exciting and cross-playing.
Nice.
That's pretty much, that's good enough. That'll do. Hey, you can hit this.
Yeah. Have you seen the bananas?
Can you? Do you hear it when I hit it?
Yeah.
Ooh. I can't hear these drums up here. What are these?
They're not drums.
No.
Are you in the archery place? Yeah, they're not.
Yeah. Can you shoot the arrows? No.
Not that I'm aware. Oh yeah.
Very
Ooh,
rare.
This could be a PB chance here.
Well, it's what you need at the start. You need this.
Yeah. You don't. I won't get it because it's too much. Not nothing.
Well, you're only 2 shots behind.
Look at this.
Always want to do better, but that's okay. Ooh, yeah. It's even better. That's a tap in. Here comes a hole in one. I'm pre-twirling. I got a feeling. Oop.
You jinxed
It's a
me.
D-twirl, but you're still in the zone.
It's still, you can still
well,
get it in.
Yeah.
Just try something different.
I'm visiting the frogs. Hello, frogs.
Ah, fuck.
That crane is gorgeous.
The frogs are pretty cool too.
Yeah, I think so too. I love the way they did this. Oh my god. Mighty Coconut. They're the best.
Where are they based?
Oh no. America, aren't they?
Go in!
Yes.
Yeah!
Oh!
That's what I
Perfect.
call a good shot.
Oh. Lovely.
Little bit rough, but easy course forgiving.
Ah, you
Yeah, that's what
fucker.
I thought. I thought I hit mine too hard. I thought that's what
I
mine
hit
was
it a bit
gonna
too hard.
do. No.
Wow.
Well, this could go in. It's frozen on mine.
Did that goes in, or do you forfeit? Forfeit. A little bump.
This could be good.
Oh, yes. Oh,
No
missed.
bump.
Fucker. No bump.
Thing is, though, even if you fuck it up, you at least usually go down into that one. So it's a winner shot. Got the bump.
There we go.
Ooh.
Oh, damn it. This is a par 4.
Pretty, generous.
Oh, lovely.
Join us.
I'm hoping to.
In the winner's circle.
Oh, in the sandpit.
Have another try.
There you go.
it.
Might even go in. Yep. Very nice. Second shot blues.
Just put that on Alexa's golf tips and just use your second
Now
one.
we can't do what we used to do, can we?
What's that?
No, it's a change to the bastards.
Bounce it off the rocks, remember? They fucked